Presenting a pre-owned 2011 Jeep Liberty Sport. This 4-door SUV has a 6-cylinder, 3.7-liter V6 engine, with 4-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Jeep has less than 124,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city, and 21 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power steering, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, power windows, rear privacy glass, and window defogger. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.